Is your iPhone not ringing and you're missing important calls? That's definitely frustrating, but don't worry, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll share some quick and easy solutions to fix the issue. Let's dive in and get your iPhone ringing again. Solution 1. Check the ringtone volume. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down a little and tap on Sounds and Haptics. From here, drag the volume bar all the way to the right to set the volume to high. Now, check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Turn off airplane mode and DND. For this one, swipe down from the right side on the screen to bring the control center. From here, turn off airplane mode if it's on. Also, tap on focus to turn off DNS. Now, check if your phone rings. Solution 3. Turn off call forwarding. To do this, open up the Settings app again, then scroll down a little and tap on Apps. Next, scroll down a bit and tap on Phone. Now, find the call forwarding option and tap on it. From here, just toggle off call forwarding and check if the issue is gone. Solution 4. Reset your iPhone settings. Open up the Settings app once more. Tap on General. Next, find Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on it. Now, select Reset All Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset All Settings again. Your settings will now be reset and the issue should be fixed. So, that's how you can fix the issue of your iPhone not working for incoming calls. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and I appreciate your support.